Get ready to have your mind absolutely blown. Google Gemini just launched 3 groundbreaking new features that are about to transform how you work, create, and live. Imagine automating any task you can think of, scheduling it to run seamlessly in the background. Picture a brand new AI agent you can deploy directly from your terminal, unlocking a world of possibilities. And trust me, there are even more incredible features I'll reveal later in this video. By the time we're done, you'll not only know exactly how to access all these tools, but you'll also discover some mind-bending use cases that will change everything. First up, the feature that's set to revolutionize your daily routine. Gemini's brand new scheduled actions. You can now literally schedule tasks with Gemini. Just pop into your settings from the web app, right here in the bottom left-hand corner, and you'll instantly spot scheduled actions. Click on it, and you'll see all the incredible automated tasks you've set up. Here's how easy it is. I'm simply going to ask Gemini, please create me a scheduled action to send me a daily update of my calendar to-dos and important unread emails at 8 a.m. That's it. Gemini processes the request, intelligently determines it can use its internal tools to create this scheduled action, and boom, it's done. You'll see it appear right here, where you can easily pause or edit it. Click Edit, and you can tweak the name, the instructions, and even change the frequency. Daily, weekly, monthly, and even in 15-minute increments. And remember, you can always find it back in your settings under Scheduled Actions. Now, a crucial tip. When creating these scheduled actions, you need to start with the prompt, please create me a scheduled action. On top of that, I highly recommend you plan these out based on all the different apps Gemini has access to. Check this out. If we dive into the Apps section, you'll see Gemini can connect with GitHub, Gmail, Google Calendar, Docs, Drive, Keep, Tasks, Flights, Hotels, Maps, YouTube Music, and OpenStack. To truly harness Gemini's full potential, design your scheduled actions with these integrations in mind. Imagine this, getting daily updates on your competitors' latest YouTube videos, or summaries of things you can do to boost your own content. Planning a trip? Gemini can automatically search for flights and hotels, saving you hours of manual searching. Need directions for a meeting? Link Google Maps to your calendar, and Gemini can tell you exactly what you need to know. Like the example I just shared, I think this is phenomenal for getting a morning update on everything you have going on. And here's what that looks like. A daily summary email with your calendar events, to-do list, and important unread emails. This is just a template, of course, but the actual output would be populated with your personal account data. Anything you can currently do in Gemini, you can now likely get a scheduled action to do for you. The next mind-blowing feature, you can now create photos for free with Google, using their incredible Imagen 4 in AI Studio. But before I show you how, smash that subscribe button if you want to stay updated on all the latest AI advancements. I upload videos like this daily, and you won't want to miss them. As I was saying, head over to studio.google.com. And yes, this is 100% free. Come here to generate media, click on Imagen, and you'll see it now uses Imagen 4 Preview and Imagen 4 Ultra Preview. Previously, it only had Imagen 3. Let's try it out. I'll ask it to generate a hyper-realistic image of a beautiful modern home in Montana. Now, I want to show you something incredible about its speed. I'm also going to open a ChatGPT window and give it the same prompt. What you'll immediately notice is that Imagen does this way faster. Even when using the Imagen 4 Ultra Preview model, it absolutely flies past ChatGPT. ChatGPT hasn't even started creating the image yet, and Imagen is already done. With Imagen, you can do so much. Give feedback, expand the view, download, copy, export straight to your drive, or even change the aspect ratio, while Imagen 4 models generate one image at a time. If you were to use Imagen 3, which I don't recommend as Imagen 4 is vastly superior, you could generate 4 variations. And seriously, look, ChatGPT still isn't done. Moving on to another phenomenal Google feature, Gemini CLI. This is a powerful open-source AI agent that brings Gemini directly into your terminal. What does that mean? If you head over to the link provided in the description, you'll find everything you need to access it. Now, I know if you're not technical, this might look a bit intimidating, but scroll down, and you'll find a detailed README that walks you through getting started. advanced usage, and increasing limits. It even provides different examples of what you can achieve. Write me a Gemini Discord bot that answers questions using an FAQ I'll provide. Or clone an existing project in GitHub and summarize all the changes from yesterday. They break it down into popular tasks and use cases like exploring new codebases, working with existing code, automating workflows, interacting with your system, and so much more. Here's a pro tip. Pull up a Gemini window in your main account. I'm going to say, I want to come up with more ideas for what Gemini CLI can do. I am going to provide you with examples. Please expand on this list with a bunch of other use cases based on its capabilities. Then, I'll copy these popular tasks from the GitHub page and paste them into Gemini. This allows Gemini to expand on what Gemini CLI can truly achieve. If you're not doing things like this with Gemini, you're making a massive mistake. Don't just take things at face value. Get Gemini, or any large language model like ChatGPT, Grok, or Claude, to expand on possibilities. Look at this. It generates comprehensive documentation, performance and security audits, dependency analysis, modernization, and streamlines development workflows. Want to get even more specific? Ask, what if I am a marketing manager? Gemini will then generate scenarios and ideas tailored to that specific use case. Whether you're pitching this tool, learning to use it yourself, or just brainstorming, leverage LLMs to do the heavy lifting. For faster responses, I'd recommend using Gemini 2.5 Flash as Pro can sometimes be a bit slower. You can see it quickly generates ideas like competitor analysis, instant SEO and content strategy, and audience persona development, all using Gemini CLI once you get it set up. If you want me to make a video specifically about how to get started with Gemini CLI and access it from your terminal, let me know in the comments below. One more thing. I should have mentioned earlier about Gemini CLI. It can query and edit large code bases, even beyond Gemini's 1 million token context window. It can generate new apps from PDFs or sketches using Gemini's multimodal capabilities, automate operational tasks like pulling requests, and even use tools and MCP servers to connect new capabilities, like media generation with Imagen, or even music generation. Plus, it can ground your queries with Google's built-in search tool. Finally, the last update I have for you. Back in AI Studio, if you check out the models Google currently has available, under Gemma, you'll find two brand new models, Gemma 3N E2B and Gemma 3N E4B. These are typically models you'd host on your local computer as they are open source. But now, if you want to quickly test or experiment with something, you can access them directly from AI Studio. Now, if what I just said made no sense to you, don't worry. You're not alone. For 99% of people, it won't mean much. Instead, I'd recommend sticking to Gemini 2.5 Pro, Gemini 2.5 Flash, and the Gemini 2.5 Flashlight preview from June 17th. Skip the April 17th model, as it simply hasn't been updated. Have you seen the reports? Goldman Sachs just stated that they believe AI will replace over 300 million jobs in the next 12 months. So my question for you is, are you going to be one of the people replacing those jobs? Or are you going to be one of the people who gets replaced because you didn't embrace AI? That's exactly why I created AI Automation School, which you can check out at the pinned comment below. In fact, I have special launch pricing right now. If you want to stay ahead of what's happening in AI, learn how to automate your work, make more money with AI, build AI agents without knowing how to code, or even have me audit your personal AI workflow to speed things up for you, I strongly suggest you check it out. If you liked this video, I highly recommend you check out this video right here that walks you through 7 hidden ChatGPT features that I guarantee you didn't know existed. I'll see you over there.